It's dangerous and threatening. This is really a very serious weather alert here. And it goes from Oklahoma all the way to Wyoming and Wyoming to Maine. And it's a real consequence. So I encourage everyone, please heed the local warning. Please take this storm extremely seriously. And I don't know whether your bosses will let you, but if you all have travel plans, leave now. Not a joke. I'm sending my staff, if they had plans to leave on tomorrow, late tonight or tomorrow, I'm telling them to leave now. They can talk to me on the phone. It's not life and death, but it will be if they don't get out. They may not get out.